A carbide burr can remove a broken bolt without traditional drilling by using controlled grinding to reshape and weaken the remaining bolt material until it can be extracted or collapsed inward. The process starts with selecting the correct carbide burr shape, typically a pointed cone or flame shape for precision work, and mounting it in a high-speed die grinder. Before touching the metal, the surrounding area should be cleaned so you can clearly see the broken bolt surface and any thread edge. If the bolt is broken slightly below or flush with the surface, the goal is not to drill straight down, but to carefully grind away the center of the bolt while avoiding the surrounding threads of the tapped hole. Once the die grinder is running at a steady speed, the carbide burr is brought into the center of the broken bolt with light pressure, allowing the cutting edges to gradually eat into the bolt material. Carbide is significantly harder than steel, so it'll remove the bolt while leaving the parent metal, like an aluminum head or steel housing, relatively untouched if you stay centered. The key technique is to work in short, controlled passes, constantly moving in small circles rather than forcing a deep plunge. This prevents heat buildup and reduces the risk of accidentally damaging the internal threads. As the center of the bolt is hollowed out, the remaining wall thickness becomes thinner and weaker, essentially turning the bolt into a fragile shell. As you continue removing material, you eventually reach a point where the bolt no longer has structural strength. At this stage, you can either collapse the remaining thin ring inward using a pick or small punch, or carefully grind one side of the bolt wall until it releases tension against the threads. Often, once enough material is removed, the remnants will spin or break free with very little force because the thread friction is gone. If needed, a small carbide burr can also be used to lightly chase and clean the internal threads after extraction, removing any corrosion or leftover debris without cutting new threads. The most important part of this entire process is control and patience. The die grinder should never be forced. Instead, the carbide burr should do the cutting work at high RPM with gentle contact. Staying centered in the bolt and avoiding the thread walls is what makes this method successful without drilling. When done correctly, the broken bolt is essentially machined out from the inside, leaving the original threads intact and ready for reuse or final cleaning. Order your carbide tools today at carbideburr.net.